So, taking a bunch of the rabbit manure, rabbit poop. Now I've got a bunch of buckets of it. So I'm gonna be top dressing a lot of my pots, my raised beds, these mineral tubs. A lot of you guys ask about these mineral tubs. So these mineral tubs, farmers give them to their cattle. When they buy them, they're filled with minerals. And so the cattle will eat them or lick them out of there or whatever. And then they basically just have this giant tub left over. And a lot of them will just throw them away. So I went around and I've asked a lot of farmers to save them back for me. I've paid farmers some money, or I trade them, I'll give them some farm eggs or whatever. But just kind of wheel and deal. You can get them pretty cheap. You can get them off of Facebook Marketplace if you just want to go out and buy a few. I pretty much just kind of get them as they come in. I've even found a bunch. If you look around on the river a bunch, you'll actually find these in the bottoms and the river and stuff. They get lost, they blow in the wind or whatever when they're empty, and they wind up in the waterway. So I'll drag them out. You can see this one probably came from the river because it's busted up or whatever. But yeah, you can get a lot of them, and rather than basically putting them in the dumpster, you can at least get a use out of them. They last a long time. These are on their 3rd year now, and they're not very brittle, so they take the sun well. They're pretty durable. So anyway, got garlic over there doing pretty good, but I want to get another till. I want to till all this stuff in. I got some wood chips in here that I want to start to till up. And so I'm going to take these rabbit droppings. These are a cold fertilizer, so they can touch the crops and they won't burn them. They're not high in nitrogen like chicken droppings or horse manure and things like that. And so I can just take this rabbit manure, and there's a lot of the hay and stuff that was in there. So I'm just gonna throw this around, start dumping this around all over the garden, right? And then I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna till the garden, and hopefully that'll get worked into the soil. And hopefully that'll be all the fertilizer that I have to do for my garden. And so I can use this natural fertilizer, this rabbit poop and this hay and stuff, and it'll break down real quick. And I can use that instead of store-bought fertilizer. Hi, buddy. This stuff here at the bottom, it's really black stuff. This is like broken down, and it's had time to be covered up. It's been moist and it's got heated up a little bit, and it is just super, super rich. You can just tell by looking at it, it is super rich in nutrients.